These next 5 altcoins might be the 100x that you're looking for. Let's get into it. Real world assets are going to be like a $16 trillion industry, and TokenFi is leading the charge. This is actually another project from Floki, but they are really focused on real world asset allocation or tokenization of those assets. And so they're really trying to help people be able to tokenize their assets. If that's creating your own generative AI art for NFTs, if that's doing a token that can do reflections or burn or had a treasury fee, they have so much going on with tokenization and getting you guys set up so that you can be successful. And TokenFi has been doing pretty insane in the last, since launch, which has only been about a few months. They're already up like 1,000,000%. It's just ridiculous. And so this is a product that is backed by Floki. I mean, this is the same team that's doing Floki, so you know it is a solid project. So you know, I mean, yeah, it's insane. And they're creating new things all the time, from a tokenization model to a referral program to a launch pad, smart contract audit, all sorts of different things. But as you can see, this is their roadmap. But it's pretty insane what they're doing. Let's get into the next project. Number 2 on the list is Pendle, and they have a unique way of kind of setting your yield. If you want to kind of have a stable yield, or if you want a volatile yield, you can choose. And as you can see, liberating yield. So they are doing quite a bit. They have a fixed percentage, and then as you can see, control your yield or fixed yield for everyone. So you get to choose depending on which way you want to do. If you want to launch pedal trade, or if you want to launch pedal earn. Pendle has over $6 billion in value locked, with over $21 billion in trading volume. And as you can see, they have multi-chain compatibility from Optimism, BNB, Arbitrum, and Ethereum. And so as you can see, their technology is pretty insane. You definitely want to check out this for yourself, because they are backed by some huge names. Crypto.com, Sigma Capital, Alliance, Hashinkey is the word I was looking for. And they have other big names like Binance Labs, Spartan. These are major projects. And as you can see, some major audits right here. And they didn't just get 1, they got 6. So definitely check out Pendle. It is pretty insane what they're doing. Especially if you're like someone like me who tends to chase yields, this project is for you. This next project is a little bit unique, so let's get into it. It's Credify, and it is invest in EUSME-backed loans for real-world asset collateralization. So as you can see, they have the little EU symbol here. Prepaid exposure, 500,000. So quite a project. They are backed by quite a bit of companies. They have this beautiful platform, as you can see. I'm not in the EU, so I can't take advantage of this. But as you can see, it is a lending and borrowing platform, and you're able to show what you can collateralize and be able to be lent off of that. So as you can see, sophisticated token economy to boost your lending experience. Provides additional security. So these are the different tokens that have Credify and then X Credit, and they're on all these major exchanges. And just insane partnerships from Polygon. They have Armors, GeoWallet, Crypto, Differ. They have ZBS Capital, Titans, Maverin Capital. So we've seen a few of these big names investing in these projects and all of their information. So definitely check this out if you're looking to put up your assets in the UK for collateralized loans. I think that's pretty sweet, to say the least. This is Clearpool number 4, and it is another lending platform. And I love lending because you can create wealth from it. Debt is a wealth builder. And so if you can borrow against assets, redistribute those assets to make a bigger yield, and then capitalize on that yield, then you can make quite a bit. But as you can see, this is the lending platform and their pools. So you can choose and see the different rating, the lending APR, and the repayment, and how long the pool size is. They are on different blockchains. So this is on Avalanche, and they're looking for USDC. There is some other projects. So this is for USDT, the pool size, if there's a KYC required, and the lending APRs, and then the different networks behind it. So pretty cool stuff. You can kind of see what would be your, I guess, investment and return on investment for providing your crypto as a way of farming. So I think it's pretty cool to kind of this peer-to-peer lending platform. They do have a launch pool for Prime for more KYC checked, I guess, people. Definitely check out Clearpool Prime because you can earn some insane gains, especially for these other lending platforms that aren't, I guess, KYC'd, but 24% is not too bad. And finally, that leaves us with Goldfinch, which is real yields from real companies, really. So pretty sweet. They have a pool for 7% APY. They are looking for bigger companies to put up collateral. So as you can see, carbon reduction, fintech, African innovation. They have LATAM sustainability and the amount that is put up for capital and the amount and duration. So pretty exciting stuff. Definitely check out this project because these are real companies that you're investing into versus, peer-to-peer. So it's a little bit different than, the other projects we went over because these are real companies. As you can see, they have some major vision partnerships, Coinbase Ventures, Mercury Corps, they have Access Ventures, they have Kindred Ventures. So definitely important and big projects. But definitely check this out because this is a new way to invest your money into different companies in fintech or just real companies. So put your stable coins to work, optimize your yield for optimized for ease, sustainable returns or yields, global reach, and liquidity with choices tailored to you. So definitely check out this project. Invest if you are looking to get behind some companies that need some investing to scale their business. So that's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, especially ring that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.